Hello guys, welcome in our classes. Today we will study some numerical problem on network theory. So let's start. Network theory, numerical. The first question is, if a coil having an inductance of 1 Henry and resistance of 10 ohm is connected to a voltage of 100 volt, that is DC volt, direct voltage 100 volt, then what is the value of current at steady state? The value of current at steady state. So solve. That is inductor and a resistor is connected to a DC battery of 100 volt. So what is the value of current? At starting we know that the inductor will be open circuited. Inductor will be open circuited. At t is equal to 0 plus, an inductor will be have as open circuit, right? And at steady state, inductor will be have as short circuited, right? For what? For DC battery or DC source. So what is our need? Our need is I. So if it is short circuited, then there is only a 10 ohm resistance. So I is equal to V by R. So that will be 100 by 10. That is 10 ampere. The answer is 10 ampere current will flow at steady state. Next question. What is the value of length if rho, r and diameter are given? So resistivity R of a wire is given as 100 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. And the R is 40 ohm and L is we have to calculate, and area is 0.4 millimeter square, right? Sorry, it is given as diameter. Diameter is given as 0.4 millimeter. So what is our formula to calculate R? R is equal to rho L by A. Here we need to calculate L. So L is equal to R into A divided by rho. So what is R? 40 ohm into area. To get the area, A is equal to pi R square. So pi into what is R? 0.2. 0.2 into 10 power minus 3 square. So this will be pi into 0.04 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. So put here pi into 0.04 into 10 power minus 6 divided by what is rho? 100 into 10 power minus 8. 8 and 100 will be 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 6, and this will be 4 into 4, 16, 160, 1.6 pi. 1.6 pi will be length, or if you will solve it, it will come out 5 meter, right? So next question is about calculate the resistance. calculate the resistance R. One resistance having value of 30 ohm is connected to a resistance R that is unknown in a parallel, and both are connected to 90 volt DC value. If the total power dissipated by this circuit is 450 watt, a 30 ohm resistance is connected to parallel with a unknown resistance R, and the terminals of both the resistance is connected to a 90 volt battery, and the total power is dissipated by the circuit is 450 watt. And what is the value of R? Simple. I have told you earlier that the power of both will be added in the form of V square by R1 plus V square by R2 is equal to 450 watt. Right? So we know the R1 is 30, R2 is R. Just put the values and calculate. The R2 will be 45 ohm. Right? If you put all the values, then you will get the 45 ohm resistance. I have told you in earlier video. That is a repeated question. If a coil is having the area of 0.01 millimeter square, if a coil, the wire in the coil, the area of the cross section of the wire A, 0.01 millimeter square. So we are making a coil, right? How the a wire will be bound on the core, right? So flux density is given, and the flux density is 100 milliweber per millimeter square, right? Flux density, and the number of turns, capital N, is 1000. 1000 number of turns are made on the core, and finally the current is applied 1 ampere. So what will be the energy? Find out the energy in the coil. How much? Solve. So we know that E is equal to half Li square. Just like in capacitor, half CV square. In inductor, half Li square. So what is the L? We know that Q is equal to CV in capacitor and psi is equal to Li in the inductor. So what is psi? Total flux. Total flux means capital N number of turns into flux in one turn, right? Is equal to L into I. So L is equal to N phi by I. I is 1 ampere, so that means very easy. And flux, what is flux? Phi. Here flux density is given, so flux density into area. Flux density is 100, but it is in milli, so 10 power minus 3. And what is the area? 0.01 millimeter square. So millimeter square will be cancelled out, so that will be the flux in the Weber. It is 1 by 100 cancel, 10 power minus 3, right? So put here 1000 into 10 power minus 3, so it is cancelled. It is equal to 1. L is 1. So L is 1, I is 1, 1 by 2. So finally E is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5 joule. So answer is 0.5 joule. Next is find out the